to try and install a head unit on a 2009 Honda Accord EX. This is the base model. What I'm trying to do is finally get it to work, which I have gotten it to work. At least I did prior to taking this back apart. But now I have it figured out. The problem was that they don't send you any kind of literature or information or instructions on how to install this. So believe it or not, this unit runs via your aux on your original radio. So you must use the aux cable that they have provided for you and then plug it into your armrest console there. That's connect it right to the radio in here. So basically what I'm going to do is after I have the radio, the original stock radio put back in, it should work no problem. I mean, I had it up and running. The only thing I unplugged was the stuff that connects right to the radio. And you do need the stuff that connects all these wirings back to your original car stereo, and just use your aux, and basically this thing works, and it's pretty awesome. Either way, good luck. I will make a video following this showing it back and tidied up and working, and if any changes were made, I will address it in the video. But as far as this goes, it works. And if it's confusing or whatnot, don't hesitate to message me, and I will try my best to answer. I'll do my best to do a tutorial on this, because I know I had the hardest time. I even went to Best Buy to have this installed professionally, and they couldn't figure it out. So finally, y'all, we just trial and error, and then it finally just clicked. So yeah, I know it doesn't make much sense, but it's just the way it is. Anyway, I'll touch base in a bit.